Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich quick online making Fortnite maps, because if you guys are looking at my screen, this game has amassed 45,000 players and it's made a grand total of $5.5 million. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps so you guys can make more money online when you guys are making your next Fortnite map. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, so how do I actually keep up with trends? Davey Davis, I'm lost. All of these games are hitting home bar, making millions of dollars. How do I replicate the same? It seems like every time there's a new popular map, I don't know about it. How do I actually get started? Well, let me show you, okay? So inside of my Discord, little plug, in the link in the description, all you guys have to do is go to this section and it keeps you guys updated with the trends. But if you guys want to do it yourself, all you have to do is spend 24/7 8 hours a day looking at Fortnite GG. I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, so this is what you guys want to do. Okay, so obviously I'm knowledgeable and I can help you, which I'm going to show you today. This is the 6th video teaching you guys. There's so many content. There's so much content coming. That's kind of why we're fucking up and stuttering. But this is how you guys get good ideas, okay? And how do you actually come up with the trends? This is what you guys need to be doing. So if we look here and we go to this game here, if we search up Mammoth, this was a popular trend a few weeks ago. Did not spell it right. So if we actually search up Mammoth here, if you guys look here, look at all these games. Hundreds and hundreds and thousands of games. I kid you not, all of them made at least $10,000. All of them. Like, look at this one. We go to the revenue, $79,000, just like that. We go to this one that my buddy made, $82,000. We go to this one, made by this guy, $266,000, just like that. Or 266, whatever, it does not matter. Like, people are making generational wealth. How do you capitalize and get on side of these trends? Well, it's really all kind of based on, like, your input. Like, you guys have to be joining this Discord. You guys have to be, like, getting tapped into the market, because, like, there's nobody doing this. Nobody's doing this. And I know these videos are, like, I hope they make you laugh, because it's that easy. Like, it should be fun. It should be laughable. You should be having a fun time. Like, I'm so happy to be educating you guys. Like, you do not have to sound so professional when you're talking to a camera. Like, I know you guys. Like, you guys are in for a treat. Okay? So to actually keep up with trends and the latest status of the games, you guys need to be tapped into Fortnite GG. Actually play Fortnite. You can't just look at this as like a get rich quick, which I know in sometimes in my content, I position it that way, but you guys would not be here if I didn't. You would not be clicking on this waitlist and watching these videos each and every day. We're on like the 5th day now. You spend 5 days coming back and forth. I've been retaining you. Each and every day you've been logging it like a Merry Christmas chocolate calendar, counting down the days to Santa. Like, you wait for this. You wait till the 24th, man. You wait till the 24th, okay? So to keep up with the trends, you guys need to be actively playing Fortnite. My number one technique and tip for you guys is to search up the genres of games on Fortnite GG, go to tag, and just go to 1v1 and see what is actually popular. What are people doing? Like, why has nobody added powers to their 1v1 game? Nobody has added powers and abilities to their 1v1 game to make it spicy and more fun. Nobody's doing that. Let's go to the action game over here. All right, action. Nobody's adding any powers to here either. It's all King Kong, Jing Jong, Wing Wong. Like, it's like, bro, nobody cares. There's a reason why you're only averaging 400 players, which is still like 10,000 a month, mind you, right? But you guys are in for the big bucks. And if you think 10,000 a month is good, dude, leave. No, I'm kidding. That's perfect as a beginner. But you guys are not here to just become beginners. You're here to make a lot of money. That's why you're investing your own time signing up for the Inner Circle waitlist and beta program. Okay? So I hope this helped you. Go on to Fortnite GG. Look at all of the genres. There's hundreds of genres in Fortnite map making. All of them. There's so many. They all have 0 players, guys. Like, this could be you. Why are you not doing this? This is what I want you guys to do. This is what I'd be doing, so you guys can be more like me and how I'd help you. Okay? All right, awesome. Let's get to the 7th video, shall we? Let's do it. Welcome to the 7th video in the Fortnite Mapmaking 2.0 Inner Circle Fort Mafia beta launch. Holy word salad right there. Now we're going to be talking about your thumbnails. They're all shit. If we go to my Discord here, there's 5,700 people in my server. And we go to your thumbnails. Bro, they're terrible. What are you doing? They're very, very bad. How can you actually make good thumbnails? How do I do it? How do you do it? How does Davis Gill do it? How does Davey Davis do it? Let me show you exactly what I do. Let me show you my thought process on how to actually make good thumbnails. So what I want you guys to do is open up Phototopia, which is completely free, mind you. So all you have to do, Phototopia, it's right here. You guys can load it in. I already have it open. And you guys want to open up a flat XL grid island. Sorry, that's Fortnite reference. You guys want to be searching up a just a black canvas, black template, 1280 by 720. Or you can do 1920 by 1080. That's the Fortnite thumbnail size. But I'm just doing it like YouTube because I'm more knowledgeable with the psychology of thumbnails with YouTube, obviously, more than I am with maps. Well, it's pretty much the same, actually, because if we look at the results here, I made this thumbnail. This was very easy to do. I'll show you literally the PSD. Here you go. Let me go through my computer. Let me show you this one, for example. Here we go. So here's a wicked thumbnail. You guys see this? This was made by me. Look at the coloring, the elements. It's super sexy. It's orgasmic. How do I do this? A lot of you guys were kind of impressed. Was on a call with a buddy, and he's like, you make your own thumbnails? What the hell? How? Well, let me show you. Let me show you exactly how you can create similar things just like this. Okay? So I want you guys to go into Microsoft Bing AI. It is a free software that you guys can go ahead and download and use externally on Chrome. This is going to allow you guys to create AI for your actual box fights like this, like the brain rot box fights. This is what's going to allow you to actually capitalize on the current trend of these meme-centric games and these comedic games, like how they're all meme-centric. Like my buddy Inky, he created a game. Let me show you. Complete testimonial. Right? Look at this guy. He's averaging 600 players. This game had 65,000 players, and he made $45,000 in a singular day. That's insane. That's 57,000 Canadian dollars. That's awesome. That's pretty average. We can always do better. You know? So this is what I want you guys to do. Go into Microsoft Bing AI and search up Fortnite Map thumbnail. What this is going to do is obviously you guys have to sign up, okay? So sign up for your account, but it's creating it right now. Look. Here we go. Here is the Fortnite-centric themed thumbnails and maps. I know I'm pretty nonchalant and chill right now, but if you guys can look here, obviously, this is AI generated, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, bro, it's AI generated. Nobody's going to believe that. Brother, all of this is AI generated. This is AI generated, and they're using Microsoft Bing AI. That's exactly what they're doing. This is what you guys want to be doing to make your thumbnails. You want to be actually having lots and lots of colorful elements and components. Fuck this. Let me dissect you. Let me dissect popular thumbnails and show you why they're actually popular. Okay? For example, this one. Squid Games. Let's open it up and show you why it's even popular in the first place. Let me show you exactly right now. Let's show you. So even if we actually look here, let's open up in a new tab. Let's do it. Open link in new tab. Here we go. Let's open it up. Here's the video. There's literally a promotional video, guys. This is for the Netflix Season 2 of the Squid Game game. If you guys have not seen the TV show, you definitely should. Sorry, guys. That's me yapping about the red versus blue. Okay? Let me show you guys exactly why thumbnails are super important. Because it's the first thing that people see, guys. You guys got to understand that this is the first things that people will see. If we go to this thumbnail here, look. You literally see the games before you even play. You have to be showing the concept, instilling it into the viewers and content creators' mind, the consumer. You have to be showing them why your game is going to be better for them to play than other people's. Why are you so special? And he's showing it inside of this thumbnail. That's why you've clicked and watched my content, clicked the link, watched the videos up until this point, coming back each and every day. Because you, my friend, are trying to learn. You understand the process of what people need to go through in order to get to the top making actual games. And thumbnails are the most important piece of the pie because a content creator could promote a game, get millions of players on it. If the thumbnail is good, you're good. If the thumbnail was shit, bro, nobody cares. They're not going to play it because it's what their first impression is that matters the most. And that's why I've had such an everlasting impact on you guys, is because I know what I'm talking about and I'm actually ready to help you. I'm serious. Okay? So let's get to the 8th video. The grand reveal. Man, I feel like Thanos. Just snap my finger. You guys are all going to be rich. because you're about to be with this next video. Let's get into it.